Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll now see at the ad level, what all settings do we have to provide and create the ad in the campaign. So once we are logged into the account, so this is where we were in the last video, we completed the ad group level. And once you save this, we now move to the ad level where you can start providing the name of the ad. And then you can specify the ad details. Like if you want to upload a video ad or a image ad, you can do that here. Let's say we're doing an image ad for now. So you can upload the media from here, or you can choose from the library. Then we can also, because it's an image ad, so we'll also have to add the music to this, the background music to this. And then we can add the text. This is going to add text for us. So in this manner, you can write your ad text. We can give the website URL. The destination is here. Okay. So these are all the details which we have to fill in, and then we can create the ad over here. You also have options for a video ad, which you can put out here. Okay. The other than that, there is a tracking related information. So if you want to use impression tracking URL or click tracking URLs, you can put out. But this is an optional thing. Once you do this, then we can go ahead and give out the name over here. So let's, so we can give a custom identity as well, and then we can publish. This is how an ad will get created at the ad level. Once the ad is created, the campaign is ready for submission. Okay, so now it will go for a review by the TikTok team. Once the ads are approved by them, then the campaign can go live. So you can see now, this is the campaign which we have created, reach campaign. Okay. And this is going for a review. Once it is approved by them, then the ads can go live on the TikTok platform. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this. And I will see you in the next video.